Marianne's life on a little screen. Da, 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 da. I can't focus now that I'm just... Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! So ngayon guys, madilim kasi wala pa kami. Hindi ako nag-vlog today, pero hello po sa inyo. Pero napag-desisyonan kong itanim na itong grapes ko. Tignan niyo. Ang laki na ng grapes ko. Ang tanim is biro. Wala po. Before natin ito itanim, anuhin mo na siya. Ilagay sa tubig. Kasi ang taas na ng ano. Oh, you guys. Dadali ito. Oh, yeah, rocks. It's so dry, rocks. The soil is so dry. May ugat siya, diba? Ugat. So, ilagay mo siya sa tubig ng matagal, 2 hours. Ito siya, 2 hours, and then itanim mo. Roxy, no? No, Roxy, ha? You're not gonna do anything, ha? Lagyan natin yung tubig. Malalim, oh. Lagyan natin ng tubig. Mawala man yung tubig. Ilagay natin yan mamaya doon pagkatapos mawala yung tubig. What kind of music do you have here?
I don't know, whatever, turn it on.
Oh, slow down.
Slow down. What the hell? If I go slow, I'll be going
Traffic.
backwards.
It's traffic. It's traffic, hon. Tommy. Hi, guys. Hello. So, guys, we are going because Tommy is, his life is he can't survive if he cannot go out of the house and buy something. So, he decided to, like, oh, hon, let's go get this, hon. Oh, hon, I cannot eat without skunk. I need skunk to put in seafood.
Squigio.
Whatever, skunk.
It's not a skunk. Skunk is a little animal, black and white. It stinks.
Look at
Smell
our
like stinky fish.
Look at our fruit. Stinky fish, my ass. I'm not out for days, guys, because I don't want to go out. Tommy is just like, oh, I want to go running.
Oh, you should put a gas can.
Allah, we should get gas.
We won't go do it for cars.
Yeah, I know. We can do it tomorrow. Can we do it tomorrow? I still have to plant the grapes. The problem about this, Tommy cannot go cut his hair. He needs haircut. He needs haircut.
Oh, haircut places are open.
Huh? No?
No,
None of them. And they have in YouTube and Facebook. So they have open, but then they use. And can you drive, hon?
Yeah, I was looking at that.
They use the thing. The chair is over there. The client is right there, and then they have scissor with a stick. They carry the stick on it.
That's just like a goofy YouTube video.
It's Facebook. So they do it like that. It's like you're cutting a big tree and then you have an electric thing. Oh my god. Ang time pala guys is ano na guys, late. 3:30 na. It's 3:30 ng hapon. Yes, it's late na. I vlog.
Go shop right first.
Shop right first?
Because it don't matter. The squigio is in a can. It doesn't have
Okay.
to not worry about it. And the shrimp is frozen, but you gotta thaw it out
You
anyway.
gotta throw that out.
So
So you guys, si Tommy need to put his thing. Mask first.
yeah. My glasses hung up with a minute, so I wait until I get the thing out
Oh,
of the
the
car.
thing is in the back.
Yeah.
Maraming binili, guys. Maraming binili. Kaloka. My heart went off, Judneron.
Oh, I got water.
I see you got a lot of water.
Oh, I got two. These are little bottles and two bigger bottles.
Okay, guys, so we're heading to
Home Depot.
Home Depot, and hopefully he's not going to go crazy. He's not going crazy over there because hala, look at that guy.
Yeah.
We're at Home Depot, guys. Always a line here, guys. Yeah, always a line here. Watch out, watch out.
Yeah.
Look, linya talaga. Ang daming tao, han. Where are you going? You're right. Here. Dito na kami, guys. That's not, how much is that?
Oh, I don't see something.
No, the other one is cheaper, Tommy.
No, this is the same one.
No. I know. I'm the one who used it.
What's this guy?
Yeah. This is the one we got. This is the one. No. This is cheaper compared to that. The $60 and that's 50, Tommy. So si Tommy huh? The price is over there outside. Look at the outside. Kaluka ito, yung pinili pa niya yung mahal. Kaluka talaga. Okay, let's go outside. I wanna check the price. Bumili si Tommy nito, guys, kasi $1. So mura lang siya. So okay.
Okay.
How much is that? Huh?
$10. Oh no, that's a mix.
$9.
Oh,
That's
how much is
expensive.
that?
Just get the shirt one. How much is this? Oh shit. Oh, this is.
It's not taller.
No, I don't need taller, hon. Baby, hello. Hi. What's in there? What's in the bag? What we got? Hi, Mitch. Hello, Mitch. I love you. Yes, I know. I know. Okay, ilagay ko lang to, guys. Pero magwash lang ako ng kamay. What? Where's Dada? Go get him. Go get Dada. Where is he? Go. Go get Dada. Go. Where is he? Where is Dada? Go. Where is he? Go. Ay, naku, pagkahimos. You know what I got, guys? Lime. Kung bumili ko ng lime, ang mahal pa man nito ng lime na. Ang mahal ng lime nito, $25, 24 something. Yes, Rox, we got lime. My God, So, ilagay. Get down! I'm going to put this sa labas and then i-replant ko lang siya sa malaking na. So, yun. And I'm going outside to replant that thing now. Do you wanna go out now? Okay. Just leave the tail.
The seafood's out. You don't want to pick the tail off of them. It's annoying.
Finally, nakabili na kami nito. Nito siya. And maghanap ako ng malaking pot nito, guys. And I want a big pot for this. Do you want to get that more?
I'm just throwing this out a little more.
Why? It's more icy?
Yeah.
Kakain lang kami din, guys. Ang dinner namin is yung chicken na niloto. Yung leftover na ano. Yung cellphone ni Tommy, sanitize ko. Na-wipe ko ng Clorox wipe because while he's on the store, stalking the phone with the gloves in it.
I thought you wanted to have it on rice.
You want pasta?
That's what I was going to put it on, but it's fine. Here we are, guys. Marianne's life on the little screen. I can't focus, nothing. I'm just like closing the gate. Zooming. Would you rather me go closer than zoom?
Look at the grapes, guys.
But it's too much shadow. I can't even see the hole.
It's fine.
She's planting a grapevine. And she's going to grow a vine. These are raspberries. These. Well, they were. I don't know, you cut so much down, but...
They're still growing up.
Smile for the camera.
Hi guys.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Did you put the regular dirt back over it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what will eat this.
Well, Misty said she wanted to eat it, but you put it outside the gate.
I need a thing.
You need what thing? Okay. Give me that balloons back. Give me, oh, good girl. Good girl. Ready? Ready? Okay, you want it? Want it? Good girl.
Nahirapan ako huminga. Ay, parang yung ilong ko ba is nakaklag yung ilong ko. Dahil ito sa ano, yung naramdaman ko na something sa ilong ko, yung dugo-dugo. Insert ko lang ito po. And also, itong vlog, ma-upload po siya. I-upload ko siya una, pero may mga previous pang upload. So, nakikita ninyo guys na nagtatanim ako ng grapes. Saka sa mga sumusunod na video na ito is hindi ko pa siya natanim. Gusto ko lang pag-usapan yung ano, yung mga relief dito sa mga nangyayari ngayon. So anyway, dito sa US guys, nung nangyari itong COVID, napag-usapan, di ba may mga relief sa every family, may mga relief. Katulad sa Pilipinas, may bibigyan ka ng sako, tinapa, doon dito. Dito, iba din dito pala guys, kapag may mga ganitong problema na mga nawalan ka ng trabaho, nawalan ka ng trabaho, wala ka ng sweldo, wala ka ng pera, wala ka ng mabayad ng utang. Ito palang gobyerno dito is, pero pinag-usapan bago nila ito nabigay, pinagdiskusyonan kasi may mga swapang din doon sa White House. Yung kay Donald Trump, mga tao nakapalibot sa kanya, yung mga Speaker of the House, lalala. May mga swapang din na patagalin, may mga ibigay natin o aprobahan natin yung relief goods na yun. Relief na yan every family, pero dapat ito. Yung mga ganun ba, may mga swapang din pala dito. Katulad, well actually everywhere naman na may mga swapang din. So yun, so naaprubahan yung relief guys. Alam nyo ba guys, matagal din siya na amon sa amin, pero isang mga 2 weeks bago namin natanggap yung naaprubahan siya, 2 weeks bago namin natanggap. Pero natanggap na namin siya, automatic pala siya dito guys. Doon sa Pilipinas, ipadaan pa sa kapitan, ganun, sa mayor. Dito is automatic. Kapag nagbabayad ka ng buhis, lahat ng tao dito nagbabayad ng buhis kung meron kang trabaho. So, kapag nagbabayad ka ng buhis, katulad dito, buhis ko to sa Google, nagbayad ako ng buhis. So, automatic deposit nila yan. So, every family, so yun, mag-asawa. Kung wala ka ng asawa, kung isa ka lang, 1,200, 2,500, 1,500? 1,200 or 1,500. I think it's 1,200. It's 1,200. So, yan siya, $1,200 siya. So, every person. Kapag couple ka, is 2,500. Basta ilagay ko tong dito number. So, 2,500. Kung meron kang mga anak pala dito, sa mga ganito 500 each. So 500 each. So ngayon guys, ang nakaganda dito sa US na mga ganitong style na nagka-problema ka, matanggap ako ng stimulus check. Yun yung tawag nila, yung mga relief. Nakatanggap kami kasi mag-asawa. Wala kaming anak, so wala kaming tagpa 500. Pero one time lang po yun guys. Hindi po yun ibinibigay sa iyo weekly or monthly. One time yun nabigay. Hindi yun parang, oh, tanggap ka ng tanggap, ang sarap ng buhay, di ba? So ngayon, itong si Tami, dahil walang trabaho, walang nag-apply siya ng unemployment. Yung unemployment na yun, ang tagal din ni Tami na aprubahan. So, mga 2 weeks siya bago na aprubahan. So, kasi nire-review, ganon. So, dapat weekly. Si Tami, every week siya, every Wednesday siya mag-login. Yun yung ginagawa ni Tami ha. Every weekend, every Wednesday siya mag-login, ganon. Sa labor of something para unemployment. So, weekly ni Tami, mga nasa 600 and then may 400. Yung, unemployment at saka federal. I think yun siya. State at saka federal. I think yun siya ha guys. Ko si Tami. So, I think yun siya. So, every week may natanggap si Taming 1,000 something. Yeah, 1,000. Yung mga ganun. Pero may something konti. Pero 1,000. So, every week yan. Every week until 6 months. Kasi yung unemployment po dito is 6 months lang. Dapat maghanap ka ng trabaho. So, ngayon dahil sa hindi natin alam itong COVID na ito kung kailan ito ma-end. So, sabi ko kay Tami, dahil wala tayong trabaho, wala kang trabaho, and then andito lang tayo sa bahay. Yun kaya is spend siya ng spend. So, yun naman lang si Tami. Kahit noon pa, gano'n naman siya, diba? So, kinokontrol ko siya kasi after this one, guys, so, diba, may mortgage kami. So, yung inaalala ko is sa June or July, first week of July, mag-start na kaming magbayad ng mortgage. Kasi, wini-waive nila yung mortgage. Parang, so, hindi kami nagbayad. So, dapat first week of July, magbayad kami. So, sabi ko sa kanya, dapat tipirin mo yung money, wag mong gasta dahil nakatanggap ka, ganun. And ito din trabaho ni Tami, guys. Update sa trabaho ni Tami. Hindi pa rin si Tami sure kung babalik. Pero sa tingin niya babalik, pero hindi siya sure kung babalik. So, di ba yung mga small businesses po dito guys sa US, yung may mga business, mga pizzeria, mga kahit mga businesses dito, nilaan na ng gobyerno din ng pera. So, binigyan sila ng mga milyon-milyong pera para i-continue yung mga employee nila babayaran. Pero si Tami, sa case ni Tami, hindi nangyayari. Hindi si Tami alam kung nakatanggap pa ng ilang milyon yung company niya. Or lahat talaga ngayon nung naghirap yung Pilipinas din. Isang business lang yung family ko nakatanggap ng guys, relief good. And ngayon nag-alala sila kasi lockdown na talaga lahat. Hindi ka na pwedeng lalabas sa town mo. At least dito makapag-drive ka pa sa ibang city, sila, parang natatakot sila kasi hindi na sila makalabas, bibili ng bigas, ganun. Makabili sila ng bigas, pero may narinig ako na isang baryo ilak. Ano ba yun guys? Totoo ba yun siya guys? Please let me know guys. Natatakot ako guys yung paano na pa yung mga pamilya na walang bigas. Hindi makalabas para iwan ko na lang natatakot. But anyway guys, dito lang guys. So yun yung relief good dito sa US. So kung kung magkano, weekly, pero yung weekly unemployment 6 months lang yun. Kasi after that, dapat maghanap ka na ng trabaho. Inano talaga ng gobyerno yung every family, pati mga bata. At saka hindi pa hassle kasi hindi ka na maglinya-linya, hindi ka pa maghintay ng kapitan mo. Dito talaga, direct deposit sa bangko. Pero ang saya lang na ganito dito sa Amerika. Na kahit ganito, alam nyo, kahit ganito yung mga nangyayari ngayon, yun, hindi pinabayaan. Yun, basta yun. Anyway guys, bye. See ya. Good evening. Almost 10 o'clock na pala. And, yep, ito yung ko. Nilagyan ko siya ng tubig para masaya. And then, gusto kong hopefully guys, fingers crossed na tutubo po ito. And, so ngayon, lang ako magbihis. Nakatulog si Tami sa kakahintay sa akin kasi naglalaro ako. And, naghihintay lang siya sa akin. So ngayon, mag-ready lang ako. And, para matulog. Sleepy. hopefully itong mga tinatanim ko tutubo sila guys. Hindi tayo magka-problema nito, ganun lang, simple. And then bathroom lang ako, and I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Pasensya na short yung vlog today, so